magandang araw po. Ano pong pangalan ninyo?
Luz Estremera.
Ate Luz, maaari ko bang malaman ano po ang inyong naging bisyo?
Yossi at saka alak.
Kung inyo po pong maaalala, kailan po nagsimula ang inyo pong pagbibisyo?
14 years old ako.
Ano naman po yung mga kinaharap niyo pong problema? Bakit po kayo nagsimula akong magbisyo?
Napapabayaan ko yung dati yung pag-aaral ko. Napabarkada ako.
Bakit niyo naman po ito ipinagpatuloy?
Kasi pili ko pag nag-iossi ako saka pag nag-iinom ako, nawawala yung stress ko, problema ko.
Ano po ang dahilan? Bakit niyo po naisipang tigilan na ho ang bisyo niyo po?
Kasi nakikita ko rin sa mga ibang tao na parang sobrang payat na nila. Parang piling mamamatay na gano'n.
Ano naman ho yung mga paraan para maiwasan niyo po yung bisyo niyo?
Kasi sayang din sa pera. Kung ipunin ko yun, napakalaking pera na yun.
Ano naman ho ang pinakamalaking hamon na hinarap po ninyo sa proseso ng inyong pagbabago? At paano niyo po ito nalampasan?
Number one, siyempre yung dasal ako sa Diyos. Tsaka, para din yung sa mga anak ko eh. Kailangan kong magbago, mawala yung mga bisyo ko. Kasi sila yung maapektuhan kapag nababayaan ko rin yung sarili ko.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient.
Ano naman ho ang inyong mga mensahe para na may bibigay po para po sa mga taong kasalukuyan na dumadaan sa parehong sitwasyon po na pinagdaanan po ninyo?
Sana matigilan na nila yung pag-sigarilyo tsaka pag-inom ng alak kasi hindi makakabuti yun sa katawan tsaka sa pamilya.
Okay, maraming salamat po.
Yeah, thank you.